Hello all, good evening. Today I'm going to discuss about types of databases and tell pros and cons of non-relational database, and I will also provide recommendations on change of a database from relational to non-relational database. Most databases can be categorized as either relational or non-relational. Non-relational databases are sometimes referred as no SQL databases, which means not only SQL. The main differences between these two is how they store their information. A non-relational database stores data in non-tabular form and tends to be more flexible than traditional SQL-based relational database structures. It does not follow a relational model provided by traditional relational database management systems. To explain non-relational database in more detail, let's first look at what a traditional database looks like. A traditional relational database typically stores information in the tables containing specific pieces of types of data. For example, a shop could store details of their customers and their names, addresses in one table, and details of their order in another table. This form of data storage is often structured data. Relational databases use structured query language to establish the relationship between these tables. Relational databases work best when the data they contain does not change very often and when accuracy is crucial. Relational databases are, for instance, often found in financial applications. Non-relational databases, often known as NoSQL databases, are different from traditional databases in the way they store their data in non-tabular form. Instead, non-relational databases might be based on data structures like documents. A document can be highly detailed while containing a range of different types of data information in different formats. This ability to digest and organize various types of information side by side makes non-relational databases much more flexible than relational databases. A non-relational database will suit large quantities of complex and diverse data need to be organized. For example, a large store might have a database in which a customer has their own document containing all of their information from name, address, on to order history and credit card information. Despite differing formats, each of these pieces of information can be stored in the same document. Non-relational databases often perform faster because a query does not have to view several tables like in a relational database. Uh, Non-relational databases are therefore ideal for storing data that may be changed frequently for applications that may handle many different kinds of data. They can support rapidly developing applications requiring a dynamic database able to change quickly and to accommodate large amounts of complex unstructured data. Okay, now coming to the question why we should move to non-relational database. Today's applications collect and store increasingly vast quantities of even more complex customer and user data. The benefits of this data to business, of course, lie in potential for analysis. Using a non-relational database can unlock patterns, value even within masses of variated data. There are several advantages of using non-relational databases, including massive dataset organization in the age of big data. NoSQL databases can cannot only store massive quantities of information, but they can also query these datasets with ease in comparison to RDBMS. Scale and speed are crucial advantages for of non-relational databases. Flexible database expansion data is not static. As more information is collected, a non-relational database can absorb these new data points, enriching the existing database within new levels of granular value, even if they do not fit the data types of previously existing information, which we cannot do in a relational database as they have a specific schema, multiple data structures. The data now collected from users takes on myriad forms, from numbers to strings to photo and video content to message histories. A database needs the ability to store these various information formats, understanding relation between them, and perform detailed queries. No matter what format information is in, Non-relational database can collate different informations together in same document. Built for the cloud, a non-relational database can be massive, and as they can in some cases grow exponentially, they need a hosting environment that can grow and expand with them. Hence, these are the advantages of, to conclude, these are some of the advantages of NoSQL databases in comparison to RDBMS. Thank you.